With this video, I want to show you guys how you can actually make this all within OBS Studio. It's actually pretty easy and only requires you to do a couple of things with plugins outside of the program. Let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, inside of OBS, you want to go through and to go ahead and to add in a color source. Just call this something like, just going to use a green just because that's what I'd used before. Green color. Okay, now that we have one half of the border, now let's go in to get the other half in. Okay, it's a little bit off, but I'll fix that afterwards. But what you want to do is you actually want to go through, take this green color, throw that under the blue, take the blue color, right? Hit Alt on your keyboard and drag. There we go, that's basis for the border. Now, you want to actually select both of them, right click, and hit group. Colors, yay. Go ahead and save the group so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. So, I want to right click this, hit filters, hit add, and then hit blur. Now the way you actually get this blur filter is pretty simple. You have to go ahead and to install Stream Effects. It's a plugin made by Zamar, who's a trusted developer in the whole entire OBS community, and to be honest, he makes some really cool stuff like this blur effect, which, by the way, let's go back to it. So, with the blur, we actually do not want to use Gaussian. This is actually what I was using before I had discovered that Gaussian actually eats the hell out of your GPU. So instead, we'll actually be using something different. Inside of this colors yay filters box, you want to actually hit dual filtering. This is going to go ahead and to kind of cross them together, which, as you can tell, kind of provides like a gradient in the middle. I just want to turn that up a little bit. 9's a little bit too much, so I think we'll stick with the 8. Then, hit add, and hit a scroll. Now, with the scroll, you want to actually drag that above the blur, and to go ahead and to increase the speed. Voila! Now, I kind of want this to be a bit fast, so let's hit it to 500. Or maybe not. Okay, so this is actually me post-recording, but I actually discovered why I wasn't able to get to work good with the other color. That was because I actually forgot to go into the blue setting, and to hit blending mode and to hit screen. Now, blending mode is actually a feature that is only inside of the beta right now for OBS, so if you want to go ahead and to grab that, it'll be in the links below, along with everything else I mentioned inside of this video. Now let's roll back to me at the outro. So yeah, I'm going off for a year. I know that you guys have probably seen many of these in the past using programs like Affinity Designer, DaVinci Resolve, and all that, but you don't need them anymore, you just need OBS Studio. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if you want to see more cool OBS design tricks.